Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the very top of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings again. And here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, confirm the reset. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.